Hello there. It's not often I get to unbox a brand new product. Drift has an ultralight 3-season wader they just launched, and it's a completely different look. What's cool about Drift 2 is this is what it comes in, right? You get one shipping box, cardboard box that can be recycled, then it's just a mesh bag from there. Very nice. As you can see, they are much lighter in color versus their standard waders. They're a 3-season wader, and this really is just about being able to go light and fast. The cool thing about these waders is that they are convertible. You can roll these all the way down, and the suspenders are inside here, so when you roll them down to pants, you still have suspenders holding them up. So you can wear them as a standard wader, or you can roll them all the way down and basically wear them as a pant. This light color reflects the sun, right? Doesn't draw it in, doesn't draw the heat in, so you stay much cooler. Lighter fabric, still 4 layers, still double taped on all the seams, triple taped whenever there's a transition. So you still get a very durable wader, even though they are lighter in design. Pockets, you have a big pocket on the inside, right, to be able to carry whatever it is you want on the inside. And it's got a water resistant zipper here, kind of a front pouch. You also have a place to put your hands when it's a little bit cool in the morning hours or in the evening hours. It has kind of a nice fleece line on the inside of this pocket. So these waders also come in a bundle. You can purchase a lighter rain jacket as well. This rain jacket, bulletproof, windproof, but they have a lighter jacket now to both match the waders and just to give that lighter feel. I kind of dig these new design, right? I kind of like that lightweight. You still got the classic booty, right, with the kind of the traction on the bottom here, and gravel guards here to go over your wader boots, that type thing. Secondly, and I'm looking forward to trying these on, they have just the pants. Even though those are convertible, sometimes it's just nice to be able to throw on the pants. And now I've got a very lightweight pair of wading pants. I'm just really stoked about these, and I can't wait to try them on. These work really well if you're just fishing small creeks and don't have to step in very often, but yet you want to keep all the bad things from rubbing against your legs, like stickers and thistles and all of the spiny things that potentially could grab onto your clothes or grab onto your bare skin. It's nice having waders for that protection. And I know these aren't snake proof, but I just feel better when I'm walking through the desert with waders versus shorts, especially with all the snakes that are around. So that's another reason why I wear waders, is just because I feel more secure in them. But again, 4-ply on these waders, waterproof material, same quality as you expect from Drift, in 2 brand new waders. What's super cool is, because you heard it from me, I'm going to leave a link down in the pinned comment, and that'll get you a free gift, give you a little bit of money off, and a free gift because you heard it from me. All right, well, thanks so much for tuning in, and go check out the new waders from Drift. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on.